Hi everyone, it's Miss Wilcoxon. A quick video here to just review what you need to do in Khan Academy. For some of you, it might have been a while since you've been in Khan Academy, so I'm just going to go over some of the basics. So when you log in, this is what your screen looks like. The web address is khanacademy.org, and you use your Google account, your school Google account to log in. So you'll have your class period over here, whatever hour you're in. Where you want to head is assignments. This is where you'll find the list of the assignments. Now, I just made this account, so it only has this most current set of assignments, but you guys will have assignments listed under past, all the past assignments from earlier this year. These active assignments, these were the ones that were posted yesterday, which was Wednesday, March 22nd. And they are due today. So there are 2 videos on adding decimals and 3 assignments. The assignments have the stars, the videos have the little play button. These assignments have a total of 15 problems on adding decimals, so it's really not a lot of math problems to do. When you have extra time or you want to do some extra math practice, in Khan Academy, another place you can go is Course Mastery. In Course Mastery, you have 6th grade illustrative mathematics. Illustrative mathematics is the workbooks that we do. If you click on that, it lists out the 8 units for you. So you had some of the workbooks throughout the year, but obviously we didn't get to all of them. So what you can do is you can go through this and you can click on any of these different units and any of the different lessons and do practice work in there. Some of this you've already done through your work on Khan Academy throughout the year. It keeps track of points, and as you go, you'll see that you're completing a certain percentage of the course. Some of you maybe already are up to like 10%, 20%, right? But that is another place to go to practice math while you're at home and we're out of school. If you get kind of lost in Khan Academy, you can always go back to your name in the top right corner and click Learner Home, and that will take you back to this home page. And from there, you can go to your assignments list. So these should be completed today. A reminder that when we do assignments, you need to get a score above 70 or 70 or above. All right, so if you score less than 70% on an assignment, it'll say try again. You need to do the try again to increase your score. If you're struggling with a particular skill, I encourage you to go back to the video, watch the video again, and if you need help, you can always email me and I can help you out with your skills practice. So that is an overview of how to navigate around Khan Academy.